I'm sure I don't need another keyboard. Oh, wait. I must say I'm not an expert on mechanical keyboards, but I've always heard good things about the brand Leopold. So after digging around online, I've decided on an FC980M PD in two-tone white and cherry MX reds. The fit and finish of this keyboard is a major selling point to me. I love the color and the keys are very nice to type on. Okay, here's a quick size comparison. Even with the function keys and number pad, the size is still manageable. It can easily fit in my backpack. Finally, the long-awaited sound test. In summary, even though this keyboard is in the pricier end, the exceptional quality and premium materials make it worthwhile. I'm sure I don't need another keyboard anytime soon. Okay, that's it for me. Thanks for watching.